Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy sorbet. First, gather your ingredients. About 4 cups of frozen fruit and 1/4 cup of a liquid sweetener like agave or honey. You'll also need a powerful food processor or a high-speed blender. This method is incredibly simple and delivers delicious results with minimal effort. Let's get started on this refreshing treat. Now, place your frozen fruit and chosen sweetener into your food processor or blender. Begin by pulsing the mixture, scraping down the sides as needed. The fruit will gradually break down into a crumbly consistency. If it's too thick to blend, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or fruit juice, just enough to get it moving. Avoid adding too much liquid to maintain a thick sorbet texture. Keep blending, and you'll notice the mixture transforming from crumbly to a smooth, creamy sorbet. It should have the consistency of soft-serve ice cream, light and airy. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your appliance. Once it reaches this perfect texture, your quick and easy sorbet is ready to enjoy. Serve it right away to experience its vibrant flavor and refreshing chill. You can easily customize your sorbet by mixing different frozen fruits, like berries with mango, or adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice for extra zing. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and freeze for up to 1 week. When you're ready to enjoy it again, let it soften at room temperature for about 10 minutes before serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple method ensures you always have a delightful, healthy treat on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.